Morning, children. How are you all? Yes, I came back again, children. So, let us start with warm up first. Come on, tap your hand. Good. Tap your cheeks. Smile, children. A broad smile. Now you look so lovely. Good. Now, children, today again let us revise phonic words. So many phonic words you all have done. Now let us revise the phonic words again. Can you tell me what is this? Yes? Correct. It is T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Then H. H. Yes. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. Now what is this, children? It is at home. Who uses it? Yes, mother. She cleans the room. It's M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. Now the last one is P sounds, P. P sounds, P. So P-O-P, pop. P-O-P, pop. So these were the O-P words. So you all remember, children. That's like a smart children. Come on, pat yourself. Good. This is, oh, I'm learning from my children. Children are saying, you all are giving me the answer. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. So can I say P-O-T is pot? And this is cot. This is cot. Cot means what? You all sleep in the cot. You have seen the picture of a cot? Yes, it's C-O-T, cot. Can you guess what is this? Dot. After each word, you give a dot. I had taught you, children. You have learned this. Yes, D-O-T, dot. Please say the spelling now. Can you say without looking? D-O-T is dot. Now, H sounds H. Can I say H-O-T? There you are. Hot. Hot means, yes, when you switch off the fan, it's very, very hot. Next is R-O-D. What is R-O-D? Rod. Correct. Can you tell me this one? Yes, it's pod. P-O-D is pod. So you all are familiar with the phonic words now and you are able to form the words also. K-O-D is cord. K-O-D is cord. Say the spelling, please. Yes, I can hear, children. You said C-O-D is cord. Now, the last one is G sounds go. What is O-D? Correct. So, if I say G-O-D, can you make the word, please? It's God. G-O-D is God. So, children know now. Very good, children. Now, you have to help me out. I'll say the spelling. Just you are going to say me the sounds. M sounds. Correct. A-D, add. So, if I write M-A-D, it is mad. M-A-D is mad. Now, what is this? L sounds L. L sounds L. So, can I say L-A-D? What is the word form? Lad. L-A-D, lad. And what is the meaning of lad? Boy. Now, here we have sad. When mama don't give you chips, you are sad. When you don't do the homework, teacher is sad. So, what is the spelling of sad? Don't see. Close your eyes and say. Very good, children. Come on, clap yourself. You said the correct spelling. S-A-D is sad. Now here we have B sounds B. So B-A-D is bad, bad. Good. So bad spelling is B-A-D, bad. Now children, this is you are familiar with this book. Yes, this is your Radiant Way English book. English lessons we are going to do from this book. This is your Radiant Way book. Now, we come here with the lesson number 2, part 1. First of all, children, tell me, when is your birthday? Then when you go somewhere to the party and all, when somebody like uncle or your friends come to your house and they give you something, like the thing which you like the most, children. Yes, what is that? When you get something and it makes you happy, it gives you happiness. Gift. What do you get on your birthday? Gift. What do you get on your birthday? Yes, gift. When we get a gift, we are so happy, children. So, I'm going to take this lesson in this. Pat was very happy. Let us see Anne and Pat. How were they happy when they got a gift from their mother? You have to repeat after me, children. Lesson number 2. Correct. Part 1. Say. Lesson number 2. Part 1. Now, say. Gifts for Pat and Anne. Mama brings gift for you. Papa brings gift for you. And there is a broad smile on your face. So we are going to talk about the gifts. Now children, in the box there are few words given. Let me read out those. C-O-M-E is come. Yes children. A-N-N is and. With the help of the phonic words, phonic sounds, you have to start learning. Now F sounds for O-R, or. So can I say for? Without saying the spelling, can I say that? Next is thank you. Then here we have the word is the. And the last word is father. Now, there are new words for you. Yes, children, we learned new words. But again, I want you all to repeat after me. Please repeat. Come and for thank you the father. Good children. Good. You should always repeat the words. The more repetition is there, you will learn the words very well. Now children, as you have grown up, you are big, big sentences also you have to do. Yes, I wrote a sentence for you. Now, the first one, see, it's come. It's come. Now, teacher wrote the sentence, will come to my house. Pat will come to my house. This teacher made the sentence. Now, if I give you come word, can you make some other sentence? Yes, I heard. Teacher, come to my house. Yes, somebody told that. Teacher, come to my house. I'll say, children, come to my house. So this way, we have to learn to make sentences. Now children, first let me read out. You only listen. Fold your hands, sit erect. Oh, very good. All are sitting erect. Now only listen to me. Children, point number 1. It's come, come, come. Come, come, come. Then point number 2 we have is come to mother pat. Come to mother pat. And the point number 3 is come to mother Ann. Heard? Now can you repeat after me? Point number 1. Come, come, come. Good. Point number 2. Come to mother pat. Come to mother pat. Point number 3. Children, I am saying point number 3 because it is easy for you all to see the point and say the spelling or the sentence. Come to mother Ann. Come to mother Ann. You need not say point number 3. Teacher will say. You have to look at the numbers. Now, I am on this number, 4th number. You don't say, only listen to me. Pat ran to mother. Now, Pat ran to mother. Ann ran to mother. Ann ran to mother. I am on 6th one. Mother has a top for Pat. Mother has a top for Pat. Now children, I would request you all to repeat after me. Let us start with this. Pat ran to mother. Repeat. Good. Now, number 5, repeat after me. Ann ran to mother. Ann ran to mother. Now, 6th point say, mother has a top for Pat. Mother has a top for Pat. Pat, yes. This line is done now. Now, on number 7. Listen to me. Mother has a cot for Ann. Listen to me. Number 8. Thank you, mother, for the top. Number 9. Thank you, mother, for the cot. Now you are going to repeat after me. Let us start from point number 7. Mother has a cot for Anne. Say this line. Mother has a cot for Anne. Now, number 8. Thank you, mother. Thank you, mother, for the top. Yes, thank you, mother, for the top. Set, finished. Now number 9. Thank you, mother, for the cot. Thank you, mother, for the cot. Now children, look at this page. This is page from your Radiant Way book, from which the lesson is done. This is lesson number 2, part 1, gifts for Pat and Anne. Now children, we did the reading part. Okay, you repeated after me. So do you remember? In this, who all are there? Anne, Pat, yes, see? She is Anne, he is Pat. Who is she? She is a mother. And what is mother giving to Pat and Anne? Gift. And in return, what you all are going to say? When we get something from someone, we always say thank you. When you get something from someone, you have to say thank you. Do you say thank you to your mother? Do you say thank you to your father? You should say thank you to your grandparents also. Now children, so this page you saw. Now it's activity time. Today teacher, what she has brought for activity? Yes, you must be thinking. Not so much, very simple thing children. Here is what is this children? It's a gift box. So you identified it. It is a gift box. When do you get a gift? On your birthday, very good. I also got gift because I did my work. I listened to my mother, so she gave me a gift. Children, what you have to do is, any waste box you will take any waste box and take a marble paper or a small any paper, and you have to wrap the box. When you wrap the box, stick it, just apply a sellotape with the help of your mother, and or you can use a Fevistick also. Stick the page this way and your gift box is ready. This you can make from any waste box. Any paper you can take children and just wrap it and just write your name on it. It's a gift box for you all. Now children, before leaving, I would like to ask you few questions children. No children, I don't want to give you in written. You have to answer my questions. Yes. In a hurry? No, not in a hurry. Now just tell me, who ran to mother in the lesson? Who ran to mother in the lesson? Yes. And Pat? Then Pat ran to mother. Pat ran to mother. Now, I want to ask you, What does mother has for pat? What does mother has for pat? Mother has a top for pat. Mother has a top for pat. You only have to say the answers. What does mother has for Anne? Yes, what is mother having? What did she give? Mother has a cot for Anne. Now, what will you say when you get gift from someone? You are going to say thank you. So here I also say thank you for listening, children, and listen to your parents also. And you are going to read the lesson also, children. Every day you are going to read the lesson. Start reading one lesson, one sentence from. Already we have done first lesson. Even if you read one lesson, sentence, 2, 3, it will be easy for you all to remember. Repeat again and again. Practice more and you will learn the lesson. So can I say now, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, children.